Today we're learning the beautiful extended single crochet. Let's get started. Make a slip knot on your hook. Make another slip knot. Elongate the loop on your hook, pull it to a suitable length. Place your left hand at the crossing point of the loop, this helps to stabilize it. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the back stitch's back bump. Yarn over. And pull up a loop. You now have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops on your hook. You've completed your first extended single crochet. Now, let's do this one more time. I'll demonstrate the stitch again. Continue this pattern until you reach the end of the row. Remember, the extended single crochet is composed of an elongated slip knot followed by a single crochet. Congratulations! You've mastered the extended single crochet technique.